Hi. So this is a very easy question here. We have to basically arrange four people, distribute four people, their houses and the drink they have, the color of the house. So go ahead and please solve this set, and then once you have done solving it, go ahead and look at the solution. So if you look at the question here, we have four people of different nationalities live on the same side of a street in four houses, each of different color. Each person has a different favorite drink. The following additional information is also known. The Englishman lives in a red house. Okay, so let's do one thing. Once you read all the directions, you will realize that you also have to arrange the houses in a straight line. Okay, fine. So the first point is the Englishman lives in a red house. Fine. The Italian drinks tea. Fine. Let's look for the information where we can arrange these houses, right? So the point here, the Norwegian lives in the first house on the left. Okay, so this is the first house on the left. So we have Norwegian living over here. Okay, cool. Next is in the second house from the right, they drink milk. Okay, so second house from the right is this house, and whoever lives here drinks milk. Fine. Okay. The Norwegian lives adjacent to the blue house. So this is the Norwegian. So the color of the house adjacent to it is blue. So this house color is blue. Next, the Spaniard drinks fruit juice. Okay, we don't know Spaniard can come at any of these three places. We'll look at this later. Tea is drunk in the blue house. So this is the blue house. Here we would have the person living here would be drinking tea. Okay. The White House is to the right of red house. Okay. The White House is to the right of red house. Fine. So we'll come back to this again. We knew over here the Italian drinks tea. So this has to be the Italian, right? This has to be the Italian who is drinking tea. Now we have a Spaniard, okay, and a Englishman. Okay. So Spaniard drinks fruit juice. Now Spaniard obviously cannot come here because the person living here is drinking milk. So this has to be the Spaniard. And the Spaniard is drinking fruit juice. Hence, the person living here would be the Englishman. So this is Englishman. And we know the Englishman lives in a red house. So the color of this house is red over here. And the White House is to the right of red house. So this is the red house. The house to the right of it, that is, this is the only house. This has to be white. So Spaniard lives in a white house. Okay. Now with the information that is given here, we have figured out who is living where, in which house, and which color house, and which drink is particular person drinking. For Norwegian, we don't know the drink and the color yet. Let's see if we can figure that out using the options. Okay. The color of the Norwegian house is, now what could be the color of the Norwegian's house? It cannot be blue, red or white. It cannot be red, blue or white. So the only option is yellow here. So this has to be the yellow. The answer to this question is option A. Second question, milk is drunk by milk is drunk by the Englishman. So the answer is option B. And third question, the Norwegian drinks. Now the Norwegian does not drink tea, milk or fruit juice. So the Norwegian does not drink fruit juice, tea or milk. Hence he drinks cocoa. Okay. And finally, which of the following is not true? Milk is drunk in the red house. This is correct. Italian lives in the blue house. This is also correct. Spaniard lives in a corner house. This is also correct. Italian lives next to Spaniard. The Italian does not live next to Spaniard. Hence option D is not correct. So the answer to this question is option D here. Okay. So that's it for this set. Thank you.